So folks, today I decided to put the other four panels in there. I was doing a video, I told you how I plug it in, and for some reason I was taking frames, so I got a new phone. I don't know how to use it. It's a new phone, Galaxy something. Okay folks, now this what you see there, don't forget to subscribe guys. This in addition to another day, so I did move two panels to give you 9 amps. So now I add two more panels. It gives me a total of 18 amps, so the maximum of it, because of the way I place the panel and the way the sun is. See the array? You see guys? It's going straight to the panels. Okay, so this is what I have here. 4 panels. Each panel produces 9 amps, close to 8 to 9 amps. I'm getting the maximum of it. Don't forget to subscribe guys if you haven't done so. This is a work in progress. I'm learning as I do these things, and then I'm going to make it permanent. For the time being, this is not permanent, this is temporarily. Okay, so earlier I had 2 panels and I plugged everything together. I had 2 panels in parallel and the other 2 in parallel also, and in series. And we're talking about series and parallel. Those two in series, I merged them in parallel. So I bring one panels down, I'm still producing power. It went down to 9 amps. It went down to 9 amps, folks. And when I put it back together, you go back to 18. So this is the best way to get the most of it. So what you got here, this is about a 315 watts panels. And I put it together. Let me go inside to show you what's coming up at the blue, make sky blue regulator. Guys, I turned the lights. And this is how it is. I'm producing 17 amp. And this is real. Okay guys, I'm producing 17 amp. This is how it is. Are we looking good? Yeah, we're looking good guys. I just add 2 more panels, so make it a total of 4. Okay guys, sorry about that. And the mosquitoes giving me a hard time. I'm allergic to them. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. This is a good opportunity for you guys to see the power. The way I place the panels with the angle, that's giving me full capacity of the panels. Right now I'm producing, got 4 panels hooked up, and I have 17. You take 17 divided by 2, that's giving you 8 and change. I got my full power from my panel. Okay, now I'm being charged. I turn the power on. Okay, I turn the power on, everything is on. Okay folks, and I'm gonna go show you guys on the Bluetooth. Well, it's the same thing as the Bluetooth. So this is what you're gonna see on the Bluetooth. I'm at 50 amp, 17. I'm at 50 volt, 17 amp. Basically, I'm charging. Sometimes I'm just producing enough power to now I can run my AC. It's not too hot out there today. I can run my AC. Now when I finish, I need a BMS for this. I ordered BMS, hasn't come in yet. I got more body coming in. So I want to run this thing. Right now I have 4 panels hooked up, and I can hook up the other 2 panels. So I think I'm going to wait until tomorrow, or probably later on guys. And this video I'm going to end it. So I wanted to show you guys how I place the panels. I did that and the video get messed up. So I have to, when I'm going to add the other 2 panels, I'm going to show you guys because I have to unscrew the other one. So tomorrow morning, I don't know if I can keep this together. So you will see each time I add a set, this number goes up. Each time I add a set, the numbers come up. So if you guys want to see how I put it together, you have to subscribe and check out the next upload. This is the end of this for 14 watt, 14 volt, for 17 amp. Now it's gonna produce all day 17 amp until 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, I'm gonna have some shade on the panels, then I'm gonna stop. Now I'm gonna keep this thing running and see if it's full of the batteries, because the battery is never full up. It's always at 52 because I don't produce enough power. The panel was not placed properly. So far so good guys. Maybe I add another 2 panels in there. I don't know. Let's see what happens guys. Let's see. So far so good. And until then, subscribe, share, comment it. Yeah, I will answer most of the comment, guys. I don't have too many anyway. So folks, that's how it is. Let me show you the panels again outside. Then that'll be the end of this video, guys. This is about where you place the panel, how you place it. You get the most out of it. Get the most out of your panels. Okay, guys, this video is about getting the most out of your panel with the right angle. Getting the most out of your panel with the right angle. So when you put them in parallel like this, it serves you better. And if one is not working, the other one still pushing the power. Okay, if I shade this one, you're gonna see the power gonna drop. It's just whatever I get from this angle and it's added to the other one. The voltage just fluctuates. So that's the best way to do it. You gotta put a couple of them in series, a couple of them in parallel, and see how it works. Right now, my regulator cannot take 3 panels. I would love to put 3 panels, but too bad my regulator cannot take 3 panels. Folks, this is the end of this video. Until then,